These are two rectangles. If we align and tilt them in a certain way in space, we get the logo for MKBHD YouTube channel, founded by Marques Brownlee. It's simple and brilliant, but what if I tell you that I came up with a small improvement for this logo, a redesign? I really like how Marques creates his videos, excellent video quality, cool motion design for the channel's signature style, video effects and other aspects of high quality production grab attention. I often watch the MKBHD channel while working. My phone is next to my laptop playing videos. I usually watch the videos during routine work. Before starting the logo redesign, I'll create a MoodBoard. Here, I add various photos, illustrations, brand elements and other details that inspire me and help me better analyze ideas. While creating the MoodBoard, one simple idea for the logo redesign came to me, which I will try to draw and explain to you. Let's start by introducing a figure called the superellipse. This is my favorite shape. I often create logos based on it. In simple terms, this shape is something between a square and a circle. Back in 1952, Miller font had the letter O in the form of a superellipse. Superellipse gained widespread use in iOS 7 for forming the outer contour of app icons. This shape is still used today in iOS and even in macOS. Moreover, the new logo of the Xiaomi company is based on a superellipse. The regular MKBHD channel logo is based on two rectangles. I suggest replacing them with two superellipses. If you tilt them slightly in space, it will embody my idea. I think it looks cool. This logo not only refers to the shape on the YouTube logo, but also to the shape of app icons. The complex yet simple form of the logo is very technological. It adds freshness and individuality to the MKBHD channel. The sketch work is complete. Let's take a coffee break. By the way, if you need a logo or a set of icons, you can order them from me. I'm always open to new projects. And you can find the Google form for orders in the description box. I use Adobe Illustrator to create a vector logo. This superellipse will be the basis for the logo. To correctly rotate it in space, I will use 3D rotation. I have been looking for a suitable font for the logo for a long time. I think that the Ivkaika font will be perfect for the logo. Now the logo is ready. For a more detailed look at this project, you can check it out on my Behance page through the link in the description box. I appreciate your likes and comments. I think the MKBHD channel has an excellent logo, but I came up with an idea on how to change it. I decided to share this idea with you. Which logo do you like more? Write your thoughts in the comments. I'll be interested to read them.